job. Hi everyone. Happy October. End of October. So we're here at Brickwood Alfresco Bistro. And very spontaneous because this pregnant woman I nagki-crave for salad. My only contribution is my driving skills. So first they serve us appetizers, which are nachos with parang salsa dip. Then we ordered our favorite salad. This one. Apple cranberry oriental. Chat. Lalagay na lang namin yung name. So that's the first dish. Next is protein. We ordered salmon something something. It's our first time trying yung salmon. We'll rate it
8 out of 10.
7 out of 10. Siguro mas gusto ko yung medyo salty na mashed potato. Pero masarap yung salmon. It's very malasa. For our last dish, it's ano siya?
Truffle rigatoni.
Truffle rigatoni. Ito yung lagi kong ino-order here. So, alam na namin yung lasa niya. One of my friends plays badminton, and I do have a little background of playing it in elementary, but it just feels so refreshing to do another sport than my main one. The athlete in me is just so happy, and I'm looking forward to do more plays. Hi, friend! Hi everyone! So we're here at Kubli Coffee House. And after eating dinner and playing badminton, we're here to drink and catch up. Hello! Hi guys! Irashay mo
Hello.
Hi everyone! Happy Sunday! And today, galing ako sa church, but I'm also going to meet my friend, my carrot bestie, and you already know her kasi she's been on my vlogs then for a couple of times already. So, ayun, magka-catch up lang kami today. So, ayun na, I'm so excited for today kasi nga, it's been a while since I've last catch up with my carrot bestie. Our theme for today, but ay, wedding pala. Platonic wife. Uy! Isa ka pa Bye-bye!
Ay, mabaliw na siya. Hindi na siya magka-catch up kami and then this is the end of our
The end of that. Good morning, everyone. So, today is November 1 and I don't have work today and ngayon na lang ulit ako makakapag-walking kasi I've already started my new work this week. So, since grabbing this opportunity to get back on track, and my goal today is to do 10K steps. So, let's do and try it. Last 1,000K steps. It's already hot, but we can do it. Parang gusto ko na umuwi, pero 1K steps na lang. So, tapusin na natin. Hi everyone! It's November. It's already November 1 and I don't have work today. Today's agenda is I'm going to attempt buying the skirt that I saw from Uniqlo a couple weeks ago. And then I'm also going to buy a lip tint kasi I'm running out. My everyday lip tint is already running out. And then also my pangkilay. So that's the three things that I'm going to do sa mall. Come with me as I enjoy the fruits of my labor. So let's go! This is the skirt that I've been looking for. So this is the skirt that I've been eyeing for. And this one is in size large. Okay naman siya, pero siguro ipapa-alter ko na lang din siya if ever. And hindi lang siguro din flattering yung top na sinuot ko today. So mas in size large. Also has under design. This one. So here's the other one. Masyadong redundant yung floral dress. Parang mas okay with yung I don't know, pero if ever okay din naman yung white. So here's the sample skirt. I didn't expect it to go on me. And ayun, I just don't know how to style this. So if ever na ito yung kukunin ko. Hindi ko na alam bakit hindi ganito siya. Siguro friends or it's also on sale. So, I'm not thinking about this. I feel like my taste for footwear has changed drastically. I used to go for heels or platform sandals, but now I find myself leaning more to flats. This one I've been eyeing for such a long time, and it's giving cottagecore for me, and I feel like it will match most of my outfits. I just hope that it's still here when I come back for it. I'm back and I thought that it would be fun if I'm going to make a mini haul of what I got today. So first thing that I got is this black skirt from Uniqlo, and I thought it was a satin pero ang nakalagay dito is it's polyester pero yung feels niya parang satin, yung ganung design. And ayun, hindi ito yung skirt na inaay ko and binalikan ko. Kasi as I've said earlier, yung specific skirt na gusto ko, nakaubusan na siya ng size ko. And yung mga available sizes na lang dun is the bigger ones. And ayoko naman mag-risk na bilhin yung item na yun. Tapos hindi siya fit sa akin on how I like it to be fitted on me. Maybe if para sa akin talaga yung skirt na yun, I'll try to buy next time na lang if magre-restock pa sila. For sure naman magre-restock sila since maraming bumili. So, ayun. I got this one. Cute din naman siya. From Watsons naman, I got the Innisfree Auto Eyebrow Pencil. Shade number 4. Ito na yung parang naging go-to eyebrow pencil ko. Before, I'm using the Colorette Brow Bestie. Pero, parang one time nagkaubusan din ng stocks, and then nakita ko si Mingyu sa stall ng Innisfree and trinay ko na lang and mas nagustuhan ko siya, and actually mas mura siya. I got a new lipstick and then it's from the brand Squad. So, this is the original lipstick that I've been using. Favorite kasi Bare and Bliss. Yan. Tingnan niyo, wala na yung tatak niya. This is my go-to lipstick. Pero, nakita ko sa Squad na very mura lang yung parang bagong product ata nila to. It's only 150 tapos nagulat ako na sabi pa ni ate doon. It's buy one take one. So, ito yun. This is how it looks like. Ito yung malapit sa shade ko yung It Girl. And then, since buy one take one siya, pumili na lang din ako ng other shades. So, I tried to pick a darker one na parang on the reddish side. I'll try this one. Yung malapit sa shade ko talaga. Let's try it. Ang bango niya. I like how it looks on me. But let's see kung gaano siya tatagal. So, I'm happy na tama yung decision ko to try other brands na mas mura. I like how it glides on my lips na ano siya. Pagka ganun ko, parang na-absorb na ng lips ko yung product. Parang I'm happy with my purchase naman. So yun, just a reminder to be a mindful spender. And it's okay to treat yourself, pero yun nga, parang don't compromise. So yun lang. Let's go home. And thank you for coming with me in this short gala me time. I really love roaming around the mall and magdelulu sa mga products na gusto kong bilhin. Tapos tuturo-turo lang. Gusto ko bilhin yan. Gusto ko bilhin siya sa susunod. Parang ganun. So yan. Let's go home.